Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome back to the Podcast English channel. I'm Emily, and I'm very happy you're here today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Alex. Thank you so much for listening and learning English with us.
Yes, thank you. No matter where you are, at home, on the bus, walking, or resting, we're so glad you're here.
Today's episode is special. It's calm, it's positive, and it's very motivating.
That's right. Today, we're talking about something small but very powerful.
Our topic today is motivational quotes to keep you learning every day.
In this episode, you will learn simple motivational quotes, understand what they really mean, learn how to use them in your English journey, and feel more confident and calm about learning English.
We will explain everything slowly. We will repeat important ideas, and we will use very simple English.
So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin together. Before we start, a quick reminder.
If you enjoy learning English with us,
Please follow the Podcast English channel
subscribe so you don't miss new episodes.
and share this podcast with a friend who is learning English.
Your support helps us continue. Thank you so much.
Alex, let's start with our first quote.
Okay, our first quote is very simple. Small steps every day.
I love this quote.
Me too. It means you don't need to do a lot. You just need to do something.
Yes, not 1 hour, not 2 hours, even 5 minutes is okay.
For example, listen to English for 5 minutes. Learn 3 new words. Say 1 sentence out loud.
That's a small step.
And small steps every day become big progress.
Many learners stop because they think, I don't have enough time.
But the truth is, you don't need a lot of time. You need consistency.
Okay, let's move to the second quote.
This one is very important. Progress, not perfection.
Oh yes, many learners want perfect English.
Yes, perfect grammar, perfect pronunciation.
And when they make mistakes, they feel bad.
But mistakes are proof that you are trying.
Exactly.
When you make a mistake, it means you tried, you used English, you are learning.
Perfect English is not the goal. Communication is the goal.
This quote is very powerful. Mistakes are proof that you are trying.
I want all listeners to remember this.
If you never make mistakes, you are probably not using English.
That's so true.
Every mistake is a teacher. Mistakes help you grow.
I love this one.
Me too. You don't have to be fast, just don't stop.
Many learners compare themselves to others.
Yes, my friend speaks better. She learns faster.
But everyone has a different journey.
Your speed is okay. Slow is okay.
Stopping is the only problem.
This quote changed my mindset. English is a tool, not a test.
That's very important.
English is for talking, sharing ideas, making friends, and working.
It's not only for exams.
Use English in real life.
Alex, can you share a real-life example?
Sure. I had a student who felt very shy.
What happened?
She listened to one motivational quote every morning. just one.
That's beautiful.
After 3 months, she was more confident. Not perfect, but confident.
Confidence changes everything. All right, Alex, let's continue with another quote.
Okay, this one is very honest. Consistency beats motivation.
I like this one, but it sounds a little serious.
Yes, it does, but the meaning is simple.
Tell us more.
Motivation is a feeling. Some days you feel excited, some days you feel tired.
Very true.
Consistency means you do something, even when you don't feel motivated.
So even on a bad day?
Yes, even on a bad day, you can listen for 3 minutes, read one short sentence, say one English word.
That still counts.
Yes, consistency builds habits. Habits change your English.
Okay, I like this one already.
Me too. Do you know this quote? Learn a little, use a lot,
Many learners learn many words.
but don't use them.
Yes.
It's better to learn 5 words and use them every day.
Then learn 50 words and forget them.
For example,
Tell us more.
motivation is a feeling. Some days you feel excited, some days you feel tired.
Very true.
Consistency means you do something, even when you don't feel motivated.
So even on a bad day?
Yes, even on a bad day, you can listen for 3 minutes, read one short sentence, say one English word.
That still counts.
Yes, consistency builds habits. Habits change your English.
Okay, I like this one already.
Me too. Do you know this quote? Learn a little, use a lot,
Many learners learn many words.
but don't use them.
Yes.
It's better to learn 5 words and use them every day.
Then learn 50 words and forget them.
For example, learn the word practice. Say, I practice English every day. Practice makes me confident.
Using words makes them real.
Exactly.
Let's talk about confidence.
Yes, this quote is very important.
Confidence comes from practice.
Many learners say, I will speak when I feel confident.
But confidence doesn't come first.
Practice comes first.
Yes. Practice, mistakes, learning, confidence.
Confidence is the result. This quote makes me smile. Your future self will thank you.
Oh, I love this one.
Think about this. 1 year from now,
Your English can be better.
but only if you practice today.
Even small practice helps your future self.
Your future job, your future travel, your future confidence.
All start today. This quote is very gentle.
Yes, very kind. It's okay to feel tired, but don't quit.
Learning English is not always fun,
Sometimes it's hard, sometimes boring.
and that's okay.
Rest is okay. Stopping forever is not.
You can rest, then continue. Alex, do you have another learner story?
Yes, I had a learner who felt tired every month.
What did they do?
They stopped studying grammar, but continued listening to English songs.
That's smart.
They didn't quit. They changed the way they learned.
And that kept them going.
This quote helps many learners. You are learning, not failing.
That's powerful.
If you forget a word, you're learning.
If you make a mistake,
You're learning.
failure is quitting.
Learning is continuing.
This quote gives hope.
Yes.
One day you will speak without fear.
Fear doesn't disappear quickly, but it becomes smaller.
And confidence becomes bigger.
One day, speaking English will feel natural. If you're listening right now and you feel slow,
Please remember,
you are not late. You are right on time.
every learner has a different path.
Your path is yours.
Alex, this next quote feels very emotional.
Yes, this one speaks to the heart.
You are braver than you think.
Many learners think they are weak.
But learning English already means you are brave. You listen to a new language.
You try to understand. You try to speak.
That takes courage.
Even pressing play on this podcast,
Is an act of bravery. If no one has told you today, you are brave.
this quote changed my thinking. Fear means growth is near.
That sounds interesting.
When you feel scared to speak English,
It means you're stepping outside your comfort zone.
and growth always lives there.
Fear is not your enemy.
Fear is a sign you are growing.
This one is very important.
Yes. Many learners worry about their accent. Your accent is part of your story.
Your accent shows where you come from.
It shows your journey.
Accent is not a mistake.
It is identity.
Clear English is important.
Perfect accent is not. This quote is very powerful. You don't need permission to speak.
Many learners wait.
They wait to be ready.
They wait to be perfect.
But you don't need permission.
You are allowed to speak now.
Your voice matters.
This quote feels very gentle.
Yes, very kind. Some days just show up.
Some days you feel tired.
Some days your brain feels full.
On those days,
Just show up. Listen. Be present.
that is enough.
This quote is very deep. Learning English is an act of self-respect.
Wow.
When you learn English, you are saying,
My dreams matter.
my future matters.
I am worth the effort.
That is powerful.
I love how simple this quote is.
Simple but strong. One sentence today is one step forward.
Not a speech.
Not a long conversation.
Just one sentence.
I am learning English.
I am not giving up.
One sentence can change a habit.
This is our last quote. You are becoming someone new.
Learning English changes you.
You think differently.
You see the world differently.
You become more confident.
You are not the same person you were before.
You are growing.
Soft pause.
If you are listening quietly right now,
Maybe late at night.
maybe alone,
Please hear this clearly.
you are not behind.
You are not weak.
You are not bad at English.
You are learning.
And learning takes time.
Let's gently review everything.
Small steps matter.
Consistency is stronger than motivation.
Mistakes mean growth.
Your accent is okay.
Fear means progress.
One sentence is enough.
You don't need permission.
You are becoming stronger.
Every quote today has one message.
Keep going.
Before we say goodbye,
I want you to imagine yourself 1 year from now.
you understand more English.
You speak with less fear.
You smile when you hear English.
That future is not a dream.
It is built.
One small step at a time.
One quote.
One sentence.
One day.
Please be kind to yourself.
Please be patient with yourself.
And please,
Slow, warm. Don't stop learning. If this episode touched your heart,
please follow the Podcast English channel.
subscribe for more calm, friendly English.
And share this episode with someone who needs encouragement.
You are not alone on this journey.
We are learning together.
See you next time.
Bye-bye, and keep going.